Hello Keystone investors, welcome back to the channel. Buckle up because today we're diving deep into a fascinating corner of crypto universe, the world of privacy coins. Now hold on a minute. You might be scratching your head and thinking, what exactly are privacy coins? Well, they're a unique type of cryptocurrency that's been designed from the ground up with an emphasis on secure and private transactions. Imagine them as the secret agents of the crypto world, working behind the scenes, handling their business with discretion and efficiency, all without revealing any unnecessary information. In our digital age, where data has become the new gold, our online privacy and security are more valuable than ever. And that's exactly where privacy coins come in, offering us a new way to protect our privacy while participating in the global digital economy. So whether you're a seasoned crypto enthusiast or a newcomer to this world, understanding privacy coins is becoming increasingly important. We'll be diving into what makes these coins special, how they work, and why you might want to consider them as part of your crypto journey. And here's the best part. We've packed this video with insights, tips, and practical knowledge that you won't find anywhere else. So stick around till the end as we unravel the fascinating world of privacy coins and how they're reshaping the landscape of digital transactions. Trust me, this is the one journey you won't want to miss. So let's dive right in and get to know privacy coins a bit better. So what are they? Privacy coins are a special category of cryptocurrencies that make your transactions untraceable. They're like the incognito mode of the world of cryptocurrencies. While most cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin offer some level of privacy, they aren't completely anonymous. Their transactions can be traced and linked to individuals involved. Privacy coins, on the other hand, take privacy a step further. They use various techniques to hide the identity of the sender and the receiver, and even the value of the transactions. This means, when you use privacy coins, your transactions are your business, and your business alone. So how do privacy coins differ from other cryptocurrencies? Well, while most cryptocurrencies operate on a principle of transparency, where transaction details are visible on the public ledger, privacy coins go the opposite direction. They focus on keeping transaction details hidden, or at least very hard to link back to the individuals involved. It's like choosing between a glass-walled house and one with curtains. Both have their merits, but privacy coins offer you the option of drawing the curtains when you need to. So in a nutshell, privacy coins are all about keeping your crypto dealings private, giving you the freedom to transact on your own terms. They're a key player in the crypto world, and they're changing the game when it comes to secure, anonymous transactions. Alright, so why should you care about privacy coins? What's in it for you? Well, there are a few key features and advantages that makes privacy coins particularly attractive. Privacy coins offer a level of secrecy that's unmatched in the world of cryptocurrencies. Whether you're a business wanting to keep your transactions confidential, or an individual who cares and values their privacy, these coins got your back. They use nifty techniques to keep your identity and your transactions hidden. It's like having a secret identity in the world of cryptocurrencies. Secondly, there's the security. Privacy coins aren't just about keeping things private, they're also about keeping things secure. Because transaction details are obscured, it's much harder for hackers and malicious parties to target users' privacy coins. It's kind of like having a security guard who not only keeps your valuables safe, but also keeps your identity hidden from potential thieves. And lastly, there are the practical uses. Imagine being able to make purchases or donations anonymously. Privacy coins allows this kind of transaction, providing a level of freedom and privacy that's often lacking in today's digital world. Whether it's avoiding targeted ads, bypassing censorship, or simply just wanting to keep your finances private, privacy coins offer a practical solution. So in short, privacy coins are for those who value their privacy and security. They're like the superheroes of the crypto world, keeping your identity and transactions safe from prying eyes. And in a world where privacy is becoming ever more valuable, they're definitely something to keep an eye on. So now that we've chatted about the features and benefits of privacy coins, let's dive into some specific examples. First up is Monero. often known as the king of privacy coins. Monero is built around the idea of total secrecy. With Monero, your transactions are fully private. No one can see how much you're sending, who you're sending it to, and where it's coming from. It's like having your own personal invisibility cloak in the crypto world. Next up, ZCash. ZCash also provides strong privacy features, but with a twist. It gives you the option to choose between private and transparent transactions. This means you can keep your transactions private when you need to, and transparent when you don't. It's like having a secret identity that you can choose to reveal when it suits you. Let's wrap things up with Dash. Dash is like the cool cousin of Bitcoin. It started off being all about privacy, but soon got a reputation for its speed and ease of use too. Now Dash might not be the master of disguise like Monero and Zcash, but it does give you the option to keep your transactions under wraps. So if you're looking for a cryptocurrency that's quick, easy, and gives you a bit more privacy than Bitcoin, Dash is a good one to consider. Alright, let's talk about a bit of controversy now. You see, privacy coins, while providing some exciting benefits, also spark a bit of debate. On one hand, privacy is a crucial aspect of our lives, especially when it comes to finance. Imagine if everyone could see every transaction you've ever made. It's a scary thought, isn't it? This is where privacy coins shine, offering a way to keep our financial lives private, just like how we can keep our bank accounts and credit card statements away from prying eyes. However, there's the other side to this story. The very feature that makes these coins attractive can also lead to potential misuse. For instance, they could be used for illegal activities like money laundering or purchasing illicit goods due to the privacy they provide. This has led to some regulatory concerns. Authorities around the world are wrestling with the question of how to allow the legitimate use of these coins while preventing the misuse. It's a bit of a tightrope walk, balancing the need for privacy with the need for security and law enforcement. In short, while privacy coins offer many benefits, they also come with their own set of challenges. The key is finding a way to harness the positives while minimizing the potential negatives. And that's something that we all need to think about, whether we're ordinary crypto users, investors, or even policymakers. In essence, investing in privacy coins require a good understanding of the market, a keen eye on the regulatory environment, and a sound investment strategy. Alright, so let's wrap things up. Privacy coins, with their promise of anonymous transactions and enhanced security, are gaining more and more attention in the crypto world. They're offering an alternative for those who value privacy, and they're pushing the boundaries of what cryptocurrencies can do. But as most things in life, it's not all black and white. As much as privacy is a right, it also opens up avenues for misuse. That's why there's a big debate around these coins and the balance between privacy and regulation. We've seen how some countries are embracing these coins while others are cautious. It's a delicate balancing act, and it's interesting to see how it'll play out. Finally, the world of privacy coins, like the rest of the crypto world, is constantly evolving. New technologies are being developed, regulations are changing, and new coins are entering to the market. So it's more important than ever to stay informed and keep up to date with the latest developments. Whether you're an investor, a tech enthusiast, or just someone who values privacy, understanding privacy coins is definitely something worth your time. And that is the end of our journey into the world of privacy coins. We hope you found this video insightful, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay updated with the latest in the crypto world. I'll see you on the next one.